Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. In this episode of Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, I am in Dubuque, Iowa. I'm in a park along the Mississippi River, about 1.5 miles outside the beautiful city. And what we're going to do in this episode is make an absolutely delicious breakfast sandwich. It is sausage and egg on a croissant with a couple of extras thrown in. I think you're really going to enjoy this, and I'm thrilled to make it with you. So come on, let's cook. And here are the ingredients for our sausage and egg croissant. We have a croissant, we have 1 egg, I have about 1/5 pound, I'm using hot sausage, but you can use a sweet sausage too if you want, 1 teaspoon of butter, and about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. So that's all you need to make this delicious breakfast sandwich. Let me show you how to put it all together. Okay, so I know that you read the instructions on how to light your propane stove, so I don't have to go through that with you. I hear the hiss, got my fire starter, boom, it's lit. Test it with your hand way up here, never down there, because you don't want to have a hand sandwich. So what we're going to do is preheat this pan for 1 minute. Okay, and the first thing we want to do is just coat the bottom of the pan with our butter, just to keep everything from sticking to the pan, because when we're camping, cleaning up pans is not that fun. And here comes our sausage. So we're going to brown the sausage, and you can see this sausage is kind of in the shape of the croissant itself. So if you're using a different kind of bread, kind of make it in that shape. So I'm going to brown this side, I'm going to flip it, brown it, make sure the juices are running clear, and then that'll be about ready, and then we'll give the egg a quick scramble. So I will be back. This will take about, probably about 10 minutes to get the juices to run up through there. Flip it, get the juices to run through, flip it one more time for a minute, and then we'll continue on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I can see that the hot sausage is browning up. Give it a flip. There we go. It's going to have some good crispiness to it. Going to give it another couple of minutes, and then we'll throw the egg in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that sausage is good and crispy. Let's take our egg, crack it in on the side. Again, we're camping, so this is a nice simple way to make it. Make our sausage breakfast sandwich. We'll just give it a little bit of a scramble. You don't have to get fancy. We're camping. And not only are we camping, we're camping right on the Mississippi. How cool is that? I've never camped right on the Mississippi River. If you go too far south, it'd just be too hot and humid. So up here in Dubuque, it's just right. So our egg cooked right up fast. You can see that. This is going to be tasty. The sausage, the juices are coming through the top, so I know that's cooked all the way through. So now I'm going to meet you over at the cutting board, and we're going to put together the sandwich. So here's our croissant. Here's the hot sausage. I'm working kind of around the tripod, so it's a little bit complicated. Trying to be graceful. I'm just so happy to be here, right on the Mississippi. Here's our egg. And you can add more egg if you want. If you want 2 eggs, you can. And here's our cheese. I'm just going to put that right on top. Wow, is this going to be a tasty brekkie sandwich. A nice, spicy sausage brekkie sandwich. Yum. And that'll do it. That is literally, I'm going to tell you the truth, that's my dinner. I was hungry for something a little bit different, and that something was quick because I've been driving all day. Well, welcome. There's my dinner. I'll have some veggies on the side. Don't worry, I'm not going to just eat this without any kind of salad or anything. But wow, doesn't that look good? So congratulations, look at what you just made. You just made this delicious breakfast sandwich for dinner. It is spicy hot sausage, or regular sausage if you want, and eggs, some cheese on a croissant, you know, to give it a little bit of class. And we did it right on the Mississippi River. Now, if you like this recipe, please visit Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef on StepByStepChef.com. There you will find a printable version of this recipe and over 175 other delicious recipes. And each one is accompanied by a YouTube video, which is also free, featuring me. You not only get this delicious sandwich, but you get stuck with me. I mean, hey, it's a win-win. What you'll also find there with Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef are videos that will show you the easy way to camp, to tent camp. But they're also good for glampers, people in cabins, people who are in RVs, and someone who just wants to throw their sleeping bag down on the floor, which I'll never do. So, I hope you will visit StepByStepChef.com, and I hope to see you in the next episode.